Hey guys, I can't remember the number of times that I'm perusing eBay and I find one of these, a knife with a little hole in it. Let's fill that hole. Let's fill that hole because honestly, this is your opportunity to be creative. And you've seen me do this in other videos where I put like religious symbols in there or other articles, maybe a coin. Originally, I thought that a buffalo nickel would fit this perfectly, but I was wrong. Actually, the perfect fit is none other than Mr. Abraham Lincoln himself, a penny. So to give it a little bit more significance, I went ahead and I chose this specific year. This is an older penny. This is from 1974, which also happens to be the year that my wife was born. She was born in 74 and I was born in 75. Yeah, that's right. She robbed the cradle. And so consequently, I figured, yeah, I'm going to commemorate that one with a little bit of glue. We're going to use Gorilla Glue, and I'm just dabbing that on there. And I want to go ahead and spread it around because I want it to get into every area of that recess, every area of that hole. And I'm going to try and make sure that the penny is facing the correct way when I put it on there. Because honestly, that's very important. If it's crooked, once it's on there, it's pretty much on there. Gorilla Glue is really great. And this is the special clear kind of Gorilla Glue. A little more expensive, but I find that it's pretty awesome. And the best part about this is that it's very forgivable in the beginning. You can just basically wipe off the excess. It's not a big deal. So this isn't a perfect knife. It's got a slight bend on the tip, but it's hardly noticeable. And with a little bit of sharpening, that's going to grind off. So here I am, just kind of evening that out. And I'm going to go ahead and put that penny in there and try and locate it. Do I want it facing up, down, as if you're looking at the knife? And there it is. I believe I just found my perfect position right there. And after that, we're just going to do a little light cleanup, and then your job is done. So whenever you find a knife like this on eBay that used to have a badge or a stamp, think of it as an opportunity. When opportunity knocks, you can fill that in with a little picture. You can fill it in with a religious symbol. You can fill it in with a precious metal like silver, gold if you're so inclined, or copper like I did in this case. So tell me what you think, guys. Tell me what you think. I hope you like this video. This is just a little, very quick DIY, do-it-yourself. When I come across these things on eBay, I see it as an opportunity. Y'all take care. God bless you, my friends. And I hope you have a wonderful